Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm gonna show you guys how you can create a QR code for Google Photo. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm gonna show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Google Chrome. So right now, I'm gonna go to the search bar and search for Photos or Google Photos like this. And then I'm gonna hit enter. Then I'm gonna click on Google Photos. So once here, I'm gonna click on go to Google Photos. And then once you're here in Google Photos, as you can see guys, so basically guys, once you're here, as you can see guys, you're gonna find a lot of sections, photos, explore, sharing, favorites, albums, utilities, archive, locked folder, trash, and so on. So firstly, we're gonna go to photos, and then for example, I'm gonna go to this photo. So you need to click on it firstly, and then once you do that, go ahead and copy this link. Once you copy this link, go ahead and open a new tab. In this new tab, go ahead and type QR code generator. Once you do that, you're gonna be right here. So here you're gonna find a lot of results. For example, I'm gonna go to this link, and then once you click on this link, you're gonna be right here in this page. So right here, firstly, here in this page, you're gonna find a lot of options: URL, text, Wi-Fi, vCard, email, WhatsApp, and so on. So right now, I'm gonna click on URL, and then once you click on URL, go ahead and paste your website URL right here. And as you can see, guys, your QR code has been created. If you want to download this, just click on download QR, and then you're good to go. So this is guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.